In the dynamic world of project management and collaborative work, tools that promise efficiency and streamlined processes are always in high demand. Smartsheet is one such platform that frequently comes up in discussions, known for its spreadsheet-like interface combined with powerful project management, collaboration, and automation features. For individuals, small teams, or even large enterprises considering Smartsheet, a fundamental question often arises. Do I have to pay for Smartsheet? As a project management expert, I can tell you that the straightforward answer is yes, you will need to pay for Smartsheet for any sustained professional use. While Smartsheet does offer a trial period, it does not provide a free forever plan for ongoing usage in the way some other software platforms do. Understanding this distinction is crucial when evaluating if Smartsheet is the right fit for your project needs and budget. Let's break down Smartsheet's pricing model to make it easy for anyone to understand. The trial period, a taste, not a permanent solution. Smartsheet typically offers a free trial. This trial period is designed to give potential users a full-featured experience of the platform, allowing them to explore functionalities. You can set up projects, create sheets, invite collaborators, use automation, and build dashboards to see how Smartsheet can meet your specific requirements. Test collaboration. You can invite team members to the trial and experience real-time collaboration on tasks and projects. Assess suitability. The trial helps you determine if Smartsheet's interface, features, and overall approach align with your team's workflow and preferences. Important note on trials. While a trial is excellent for evaluation, it's not a substitute for a permanent solution. Once the trial period ends, typically 30 days, your access to the full functionality will cease unless you subscribe to a paid plan. Your data might be retained for a grace period, but you won't be able to edit or create new items. This is a standard practice for many robust business software applications that do not offer a freemium model. Smartsheet's paid plans, unlocking full potential. Smartsheet's core business model revolves around its paid subscriptions. They offer various tiers, each designed to cater to different levels of user needs, team sizes, and feature requirements. The more advanced features, higher usage limits, and greater administrative control you need, the higher the tier and cost you can expect. Here's a general overview of the types of paid plans you'll find with Smartsheet. Note: specific plan names and features can change over time, so always check their official website for the most current details. Pro plan, often for individuals or small teams. Purpose: this is typically the entry-level paid plan, suitable for individuals or very small teams who need robust project management and collaboration capabilities. Features: it includes core Smartsheet functionalities like creating unlimited sheets, basic automation, reporting, and dashboard creation. It also usually includes a certain number of collaborators you can share sheets with. Limitations: while capable, it might have limits on the number of automations you can run, the complexity of reports, or the level of administrative control compared to higher plans. Business plan, for growing teams and departments. Purpose: designed for larger teams, departments, or businesses with more complex project management needs and a higher volume of work. Features: this tier typically expands upon the Pro plan, offering more advanced features such as more robust automation, proofing capabilities, resource management features, connectors to other business applications, e.g., Jira, Salesforce, and enhanced administrative controls. It also supports more licensed users. Benefits: this plan helps centralize more operations, allows for deeper integration with existing tech stacks, and provides more sophisticated tools for scaling project execution. Enterprise plan, for large organizations with complex needs. Purpose: this is the top-tier offering, customized for large enterprises with demanding security, integration, and administrative requirements. Features: the enterprise plan includes everything in the business plan, plus highly advanced security features, e.g., single sign-on, advanced user provisioning, premium integrations, enterprise-grade governance, dedicated support, and often custom solutions tailored to the organization's unique workflows. It's built for scale and complex environments. Benefits: provides the highest level of control, security, and support for large-scale deployments across multiple departments or business units. Why Smartsheet requires payment. From a project management expert's view, from a project management perspective, the fact that Smartsheet is a paid service makes sense given its capabilities and target audience. Robust feature set. Smartsheet offers far more than a basic spreadsheet. It's a powerful work management platform with automation, reporting, resource management, and collaboration tools. Developing and maintaining such a comprehensive system requires significant resources. Reliability and security. Professional use demands high reliability, uptime, and robust security features. Data encryption, compliance certifications. These are expensive to provide and maintain at an enterprise level. Dedicated support. Paid plans come with access to customer support teams that can assist with technical issues, best practices, and onboarding, which is critical for business continuity. Continuous innovation. Smartsheet continually invests in research and development to add new features, improve existing ones, and stay competitive. This ongoing innovation is funded by subscriptions. Scalability. The infrastructure required to support thousands of users, large datasets, and complex automations for businesses of all sizes is substantial. The value proposition. Is it worth the cost? For many organizations, the investment in Smartsheet is justified by the return on investment ROI it provides through increased efficiency, automating repetitive tasks, streamlining workflows, and improving collaboration can save countless hours. Better visibility and decision-making. Real-time dashboards and reports provide insights into project status, resource allocation, and potential risks, leading to more informed decisions. Improved accountability. Clear task assignments and progress tracking foster greater accountability among team members. Reduced errors. Automation and structured workflows minimize manual errors. Enhanced client satisfaction. For client-facing projects, better organization and timely delivery lead to happier clients.